Hello everyone, my name is Lisette and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm switching some gears because I decided to create a P6 laminated traveler's notebook. Now this particular notebook is available in my Etsy shop. I only created one, so if you're interested, visit the link below, and if it's still available, it's yours. Go ahead and purchase it. If not, I hope this video inspires you to create one of your own. Now that beautiful flower swag that you saw, I'm planning on making a tutorial. Would you like to see one? Comment below. Now this traveler's notebook, I included a pocket adhesive with some ephemera pieces, and I have a total of 4 inserts and 6 decorated paper clips. Now the covers are removable, so you can switch them out as you go along. What I really like about this collection, this is the Julie Nutting French Flea Market collection, is that it does have a very vintage, beautiful flower, very Paris French look to it, and I absolutely love it. Now here is a page marker. It does have a pocket with more ephemera pieces and a pen. Now I also created a 2-pocket folder, which is laminated as well, and it's full of more ephemera pieces and goodies. Now the covers, I did put stickers on them, and here is the other half of the folder. On the back I put another pocket adhesive with more ephemera. And here is the completely finished laminated notebook. So I really love the way it looked. What do you think? Did I do a good job? I'm falling in love with these traveler's notebooks. I think the ideas are endless. And that flower swag, it is so beautiful. Again, if you want to make a flower swag of your own, comment below. I will love to hear from you. Well, I'm so glad you spent your time with me. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. And thanks so much for watching. Until next time, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram and visit my Etsy shop. God bless. Bye-bye.